Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How do you feel today? I hope that everyone at home got healthy today. Yeah. Today we are going to talk about how to make Dalgona coffee. You know what is Dalgona coffee? Yeah. Dalgona, actually it comes from South Korea. That's now it's viral in our lives. Okay. Dalgona actually is a candy from sugar. Yeah. Today we are going to make Dalgona coffee. In front of me there are some materials and ingredients, and then here are the materials and ingredients that you have to prepare it. Okay. First, there are 2 tablespoons full of instant coffee. In here I use Nescafe Classic. That's good to make the Dalgona. And then 2 tablespoonful of sugar, and then hot water, okay, and then milk. In here I use that ultra milk. You can use another brand or another milk. And don't forget ice cube, okay, a glass, a bowl, spoon, and the last one, whisk. Okay. Now we are going to go about the steps. Okay, the methods about how to make Dalgona coffee. First, you have to add 2 tablespoonful of the coffee. Okay, and then sugar and hot water. And after that, mix it with whisk by your hand. Don't forget, you should see until the lighter brown and it can become the foamy. Keep it stirring until it is like whipped cream, okay, like this. Okay. And then we have ice cube in a glass, and then after that, okay, we can add ice cube in a glass, and then put the put the milk into glass, and put Dalgona over oil. Okay, if you want to add the topping, you can add this chocolate bar. Okay. Yeah. Now Dalgona coffee is done. You can ready and enjoy it at home. Don't forget, work your mind. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.